This recipe and tutorial will guide you to the ultimate mango sorbet. Vibrant, sweet, and silky smooth. It's everything you'd expect from a gelato shop level sorbet made right at home. Any fully ripe, flavorful mango will work for this recipe, but I prefer ataulfo mangoes, also known as honey mangoes, for their naturally sweet, buttery texture. To check for ripeness, press your thumb gently into the skin. If it leaves a slight indent, it's ready. The best way to know for sure? Taste it. This goes for any fruit sorbet. If the fruit is so good you can't stop sampling it, it'll make an incredible sorbet. And even if it's just pretty good, the sugar in your syrup will boost the flavor, just like salt enhances savory food. Be sure to check out my sorbet syrup tutorial here on the channel, since you'll need that base for this recipe too. Let's get started. Check the video description for the full recipe. Velvety, vibrant, and irresistible, this sorbet is pure luxury. For the silky texture featured in this video, I recommend enjoying it within a few hours of making the sorbet. If storing it longer, let it soften before serving. Either place it in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes or leave it at room temperature for 15 minutes, checking regularly. Italian sorbets are traditionally served warmer than their American counterparts, and they're formulated to shine at that temperature. The results are worth the wait. We might not be able to teleport to Italy, but this mango sorbet gets you pretty close. Serve it solo or alongside my honey gelato and signature gelato shop whipped cream for a combination that's sure to impress anyone lucky enough to dig in. For more recipes and videos, check out my channel, For the Love of Gelato. I have videos on how to serve gelato and sorbet at the perfect temperature, how to make an amazing fior di latte gelato, and one of my favorites, how to make gelato shop whipped cream at home. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for new videos, tips, and tutorials. Got flavor requests? Drop them in the comments or email me, tips@morganmorano.com. Thanks for watching.
Ooh, gelato!